What is up, guys? Here's the tips again, and we're gonna play Give Up today. An armor game. I'll leave a link to the game down below. And yeah, if you already saw, we started uploading Xbox Live videos now. Okay. So as I was saying, we already uploaded more Xbox Live games videos, so you should enjoy them. Oh yeah, this is pretty easy, guys. Yeah. Oh, this is last time. This is the last time you'll need to help me. Oh shit. Ah. There we go. What? My name is Tasselfoot. The little need to know yours. You will be giving up soon. Soon means in 15 minutes. You just get tired. I'm not gonna press that blue button. Never give up. Tonight ain't no sunshine and rainbows. I mean that. Oh shit. Ah. Figuring out ass. Boop. You know, not your number spikes can beat me. It's not too powerful for you. Look at this, monkey spikes now. Enjoy. Look at this, man. Oh. Give up. Your works too. Skills. Whoopsie. Miss me. Now you gotta kiss me. I'm taking to get the spikes. I don't want them to kiss me. Whoopsie. There we go. Oh. Button. Oh, hands out one confused. So everyone presses it. I don't know why, but I feel that's a lie. Oh no. Miss me, bitch. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty easy, man. You can't beat me. We're still gonna give up. Oh, no! You don't even have a grandma. Crack it. You're a construct. Oh no! Come on, this is floor 12. You're not gonna do better than this. Oh. Boom, there you go. Oh, I did not see that. Give up button. Yeah, I'll do that when I'm a coward and I don't want to play. Huh? Did you ever think about that? Whoopsie. No. Ah. Let's go. Never. I'm never gonna give you up. Never gonna. Ah! It didn't jump. I told it to jump. No. There we go. Again. Jump first, then double jump. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna tell him I'm having. He's at you. Oopsie. There we go. Oh, no. Did not see that one. It's gonna be easier. Huh? You thought you could beat me? Huh? Oh, on the edge. Now you can find. Oh, guys, when you can push it on your. No. Don't shoot. No. Evasion. Oh, shit. You ain't getting a second chance in this level. No, you. Whoopsie. No, how did he even aim for that? There we go. 12-17. Let's see how far. Oh. No. Okay, you got one chance. Do not miss your chin. No, no, no. Compose yourself, JP. Compose yourself. Oh. There. I'm trying to win here. Yeah, I lose the game, but I don't give up. Oh, hell. I just figured out how this works. No. There we go. Just figure out how this level works. Okay, so what you gotta do, you gotta jump here, you gotta jump here, you gotta jump here. Just gotta calculate everything perfectly. So when you hit this, you jump. Oh, move skills. Oh no, oh no, oh yeah. Come on, little those. So, skills, weapon skills, weapon skills. Oh, how did that even shoot from there? He did not even. Oh. I'm not gonna give up. You. Skills. Ow. Well, now, why did you not let me double jump in? Oh, well, we already started. How does the mouse go? Oh, why is this getting stuck? I cannot. Damn it. Yeah. There we go. No, it's like reacting late or something. I don't know. Just gonna fucking jump here. Look at this. Look at this. It just fucking freezes. Ah, damn it. Ah, no. Fucking shit. No, don't. Why does it... I'm not gonna stop pressing this. Fucking works. Okay, let's see it now. See, now it works. There we go. No, it's not even double jumping. It's like one jump and before it hits the ground. Look at that. Do you call that a double jump? I don't call that a double jump. God damn it. Is this funny? Is this funny? Does it look like it's funny? Keeps on getting stuck. I'm not gonna do it. Just gonna stand there. I'm not even gonna press that. Ah! This game is glitched. Oh, come on. No. And no. What the hell are you doing? That's not what I... Hey, those are pretty good designs on the wall back there. Really? What are you shooting? Marshmallows? No. No, you ain't gonna. No. No. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. So I think this is getting boring because all I'm doing is dying and this, my keypad's kind of glitched. Let's leave it like that. There you go. You don't, well, you don't keep on running. You just stand there motionless. No, nah. Okay, we'll stop at 150 deaths. You got it, guys? Which, by the looks of it, will be pretty soon. Uh, you got it, froggy. Okay, this is not even funny. No! Look at this, look at this. There we go, jump. Don't jump. Even just do something. I'm not even arguing. Look at this, no hands. Cause this, it's gonna. Yes, like, okay, then what this. No. For the love of God. Please, let me. Don't glitch yourself. I did not double jump. So, there. Then, it's the last. Oh no, no. Okay, this is the last life. We gotta do it. We gotta. So that would be all, guys. So, yeah. I'll accept defeat. No! Sorry. Just couldn't. So sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for that. I'm gonna cry. I did. I did give my best. I know. It's all about having fun. You good? Thank you. And that's a joke, guys. No. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And try it yourself. My keypad got glitched when the last level. That's why I couldn't do anything after that. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to press that like button, subscribe, comment, share, do whatever you want to do, whatever pleases you. And don't give up on your life, guys. Never give up. Unless you play this fucking game and do want to give up. Then you should. But that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the Jeepest out. Bye.